Hi guys, good morning. I am Ravi Kiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another car, that is Tata Altroz BS6 version. So in this video I'm going to show you each and every feature of this new car. So without getting late, let's start the video. So this is the all new Tata Altroz BS6 version. So basically this is a 2020 model. So as you can see, this is a front look, absolutely looks gorgeous. So this model currently, this is a 1.2 liter petrol engine which has an 85 PS power at 130 Newton meters of torque. So now let's talk about each and every feature this car has. So basically, if you can see the front screen, you can see the sensors over there. So these are actually automatic wipers and you get automatic headlamps as well. And if you can see the headlamp design, you can see the projector headlamps as well as the front pilot lamps, and you get DRL, daytime running lights here. And indicators are placed right here. And coming to the front section, the Tata logo is placed here. This is all piano black color finish, and if you can see this board, it says India's safest car with 5-star rating. So safety standards are very high on this. So this is the right hand side of the car, which looks very good. Like each and every part on this is crafted in such a way that it looks very good. And let me tell you one more thing, these doors open 90 degrees as you can see now. So they almost open 90 degrees, the front doors and rear doors as well. So this is the only car which has 90 degrees of door opening. So none other car in any other brand, they have this feature. So this is very good. If you want to sit inside, you can get easily in. And from the back side, you get Tata badging here, and Altroz as split letters, and camera is placed here. So you get adaptive guidelines with this camera, and you have sensors on this as well. So basically this has a camera with rear parking sensors as well. And these are the tail light designs, and you get integrated rear fog lamp as well. So this is one of the best touch, and you get rear spoiler with rear defogger as well. So and you can see, if you can see this one, so this is an integrated rear spoiler, so which came in the same design, like floating design. So from the front, so from here, this all the piano black finish goes till the base of this trunk. And let me open the boot. So this is the boot space. Boot space is decent enough. You can store like 2 to 3 baggages, which is very good actually. And fuel tank is placed on the left side. And coming to the tires, you get 16-inch laser cut alloy wheels. So 16-inch wheels are very big on this. So basically this setup gives you good road stability. So, and I will tell you about the road stability in next video. Like I will make a separate video of this car, like a ride review. So in that I will tell you how the car feels and everything. So do watch that video as well. So now let's get inside and see the features of. So this is the interior, how it looks like. So Indian start button is placed right here. Let me turn on it. So when I turn on it, it says connect next, and you get a half and half digital plus analog instrumentation cluster. Let me turn the fan speed to slow. So now let's start with the steering wheel. What does the display shows? I'll show you. So distance to empty, instant fuel economy, and average like trip A, trip B. So all you get here. And this is the power and torque figures, like how much the power I am using and torque, that it will be displayed here. So basically this has 2 riding modes, that is city mode and eco mode. So the riding mode option is placed here. So this is the button where you can change the riding modes. So now I'm touching that. Now let me press that.
Economy drive mode activated.
So the voice command says economy mode activated. Now I'm going to change into city mode.
City drive mode activated.
City drive mode activated. So like these are the 2 riding modes available in this car. So economy gives you a good fuel economy. So this is all about the instrumentation cluster. And now let's come into the infotainment display. So infotainment display you get in Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, radio, USB, phone set. So basically what are the functions you get in all cars, all that features will be available on this infotainment display as well. And here also you got an option of changing the AC vent modes like front seat, and exactly same like in this button. So you can control on the touch screen as well, and you got Bluetooth connectivity and says home. And let me tell you one more good feature, that is ambient lighting. So basically this has an ambient lighting functions. The lights lit up here 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So basically these 4 places the light lights up. It gives a good good feeling when you sit in the car during the night time. So this is one of the coolest feature in this, and this is a basic hazard light function and media controls. So this is a button where you can take control manually without using touch screen. So this is a rear defogger, front defogger, fan speed up and down, and AC controls. And let's talk about the gears. So you get 5-speed transmission with 1 reverse handbrake, and you get movable armrest as well. So this is a cool glove box where you can keep your water bottles and they get cooled. And basically this car has 6 speakers with 2 tweeters as well. So 2 tweeters, 4 speakers on 4 doors. So basically this car has 6 speakers with Harman tuned music system. Let me show you the rear section. See, when I told you the doors open at 90 degrees, so this is the main feature. So like I can open almost the entire door, like I can get out very easily. So let's sit at the back. So the rear door handle is placed right here. So the rear door also opens up 90 degrees, and this is a rear legroom. So the legroom is also very decent, and you get 2 rear AC vents with 12-volt power sockets, and you get adjustable rear headrest as well, and you get a tray where you can keep some documents, storage, everything. These are the DRLs. You can see DRLs are turned on because I have turned on the engine. So these are the DRLs. You get projector lamps. So all these are the basic. So overall I can say that this is one of the most beautiful looking car. And yes, this is all about the Tata Altroz. So the next video will be ride review of this car. So I'll make a special video on that, like how the car performs on the highway. So stay tuned for that video as well. So if you like this video, hit the like button. And let me tell you one more thing. For bookings, you can contact the showroom dealers. Like you can refer my name, you get good discounts on that. Mention their details in the description below. So do check out them. So those who are near to Adilabad district, they can contact their dealership. So you get better discounts if you refer my name. So why wait? So those are willing to buy the car can go to the showroom. Not only this car, but all the Tata cars, you refer my name, you get a good discounts on that. So this is all about the all new Tata Altroz BS6. So stay tuned for next video. This is Ravi Kiran signing off.